This video reviews the Spin Klin Nova filter maintenance procedure. Close the inlet and outlet valves. Open the filter's main drain valve to release any trapped water. Verify that the filter is depressurized using the app or other gauge. Examine the drawing to recognize where is the supply inlet, drain and commend tubes and disconnect the tubes. Disconnect the tubes from the booster piston. Open the piston clamps using the multifunction tool or equivalent 13 mm or 1.5 inches spanner. Remove the piston clamps. Remove the booster cylinder. In order to remove the valve, grab the piston from both sides and push the piston inward and pull it back rapidly to release by the impact. Examine the valve and grease according to instructions. Verify the orientation of the piston grooves and place it in position. Press the valve in place. Position the booster cylinder in place. Place the clamps and tighten the bolt using multifunction tool or 13 mm or 1.5 inches spanner. Identify tubes and connect the tubes to the booster piston. Use multifunction tool or 17 mm or 11/16 of an inch spanner. To remove the clamp, release the nuts until they can move freely. There is no need to release them completely. Release the tightening screw from its socket and move it upwards using the opposite side as a hinge. Remove the clamp while supporting the cover with your hand and remove the filter cover. Inspect the O-ring, apply silicone grease, and replace it if needed. Open the butterfly nut using multi-tool. Release spine cylinder. Slide out the disc set. Wash the discs thoroughly under running water. Make sure the discs are separated during the cleaning. Slide filter's discs set. Place the spine cylinder. Tighten the butterfly nut clockwise, using the multi-tool. Place the filter cover. Place clamps. Lock the tightening screw. Open the inlet and outlet valves. Close the filter's main drain valve. Verify the filter is pressurized using the app or other gauge. Initiate a manual flushing cycle. Make sure there are no leaks in the filter.